I am Muhammad Mukarram Ali. I live in Nanded and I am an assistant teacher in Madinatulum High School in Nanded. And I teach English subject and science subject to ninth and 10th classes. And I joined this class uh, la- uh, 3 months back. And the timing for the batch is from 9 to 10. Dani sir is our mentor.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. Can you please tell me where did you find information about NIA's online free courses?
Okay. Actually, we have one organization that is All India IDA Teachers Association. The abbreviation form of it is ITA. So in that group, the link was sent to us, all the members of the ITA group. So from there, I joined the NEIA group.
Okay. My next question is, can you share your experience with the learning journey with NIA?
Yes, it is a wonderful journey, ma'am. And I think I am very lucky that I got the mentor like Danish sir. He's a very good person by nature and he is a very good teacher. And I think after joining the classes for the last 3 months, that means I have been attending the classes not regularly, but in a week I joined at least 5 classes. So from there, I learned so many things. I learned about the language, how to speak. I got the confidence, and the most important thing is that these days I have started speaking in English. Earlier, I was very hesitant to talk in English. Now I am talking with my students, with my colleagues. Now I am very confident teacher now.
Oh, I'm really glad to hear about that. Can you tell me about your experience with Danish, sir?
Yes, ma'am. As I told, he's a very good mentor. He's very good in teaching. He covers all the points. He gave the answers of all our questions. Whenever we ask questions to him, he gave the answers, and we are very satisfied with his all answers. And he has given valuable suggestions to us how to teach the students and how to speak in English. If we made some mistakes, then he has corrected corrected them. So I think it is a very good experience learning under Dani sir.
Oh, your feedback is very important to us. My next question is, would you like to recommend our courses to your friends, relatives?
Yes, ma'am. I think I have already recommended my students to join the classes. So maybe the other classes are also there. So when the link will be sent to us, I will share that link in our classes also, our students.
Thank you, Mukarram sir. It was a pleasure talking to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.